Hello, beautiful. This is Jennifer Hadley, and our prayer for today is for choosing unity. So we're grateful. We're grateful and thankful to open our hearts, open our minds to the power and the presence of love. So grateful and thankful to join together and to actively choose unity, unity in our awareness. Unity in our conversations, unity in our thoughts. So grateful to partner up with the higher Holy Spirit self to recognize we are one with all beings. There is no other. All attack is self-attack. We are grateful and thankful to give up any idea that we could be separate or we have been separate. We're choosing to value unity. So grateful and so thankful to come together in a unified field of awareness and to choose the thoughts that are loving and healing and uplifting and inspiring. We're letting the Spirit lead us. We're letting the past go. We're giving up any idea that there are limits. And we're choosing the unlimited, unified love of God as our directive. We're grateful and thankful to accept our inheritance of perfection and wholeness, beauty and truth. We are grateful and thankful to gather together for this purpose. Two or more in the name and the nature of the Christ, and we are lifted and shifted into that one mind, one heart, one life. One power, one presence. In gratitude, we share the benefits with all. In gratitude, we let it be. And so it is. Amen. Amen. Amen.